In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VWAP indicator in TradingView Mobile. We'll start right in the TradingView Mobile app. Open it on your phone so everything is easy to reach. At the bottom menu, tap Charts. This takes you into the full charting workspace on mobile, where you can view price action and work with indicators smoothly. Next, choose the market you want to analyze. Tap the symbol area at the top and browse the available categories. If you trade futures, select the futures category, then pick the contract you follow. A quick tip here: double check the exchange and the current front month contract so your chart reflects the instrument you actually trade. That small detail helps keep your analysis consistent and avoids surprises. Now it's time to add VWAP. Along the bottom toolbar, tap the indicators icon. In the search field, type VWAP. You'll see volume weighted average price in the results. Tap it once, and the VWAP line will appear right on your chart. Here's what you're looking at. VWAP is the average price of the asset, weighted by trading volume, for the current session. Many traders use it as a real-time gauge of fair value. When price is above VWAP, it suggests buyers have control relative to the session's volume. When price is below it, sellers may have the upper hand. You can also think of VWAP as dynamic support or resistance during the day, helping you frame pullbacks and potential mean reversion moves without overcomplicating your layout. As you watch the chart, pay attention to how candles interact with the VWAP line. Note whether bounces or rejections occur around it, and how momentum behaves when price stretches far from VWAP and then returns. These observations can add structure to your trade planning and risk management. That's it. You're in the TradingView mobile chart, you've selected your futures symbol, and you've added the VWAP indicator so it's ready to guide your intraday decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.